Welcome back to Solidworks 2019 training. I'm your host, Trevor Smale, and in this video, we're going to look at using text in the Sketch toolset. So we'll start off by creating a new part, starting a sketch on the top plane, and choosing the text tool, which is represented by this uppercase A. But in order to use this, we need a curve to reference. So let's just cancel out of this, choose the line tool, and just draw a quick line. Now we can go back to the text tool, and now we have a line to select. Along the left-hand side, we can type in what we want. And we can actually change the size of the font and the orientation. We can center it, we can justify right, justify left, we can flip it upside down, or reverse it. We can go into the font settings and choose any kind of installed font in our font library. So let's just choose Arial because that has nice clean geometry. And I'm going to go back and change the font size to points. There we go. So with the font tool, you need to do a little bit of tooling around and messing around to see how you can justify that font and fit it onto a face, but it's a very handy tool. Also, I'll change this line into a construction line so it's ignored. And now we can extrude this and create three-dimensional font. So if you're going to 3D print something like a name tag, this is a great tool for you. So I hope you found this video handy. If you did, please click like or subscribe. In the links below, you'll see that you have access to the course syllabus, which will help you take the course in a linear way. Thank you very much, and have a great day.